G'day, welcome to Art with Alison. Today I'm doing a paw with my grandchildren, and I've not done this with my grandchildren before because they live on the other side of Australia to me, and we've only just had the borders open so we can be together. So this will be fun, I'm sure. We shall see. Alright, we'll start with Kira because I bought these for Kira for her birthday. So, you'd like orange? So I'll start off doing it. Actually, maybe we will do it with the cap. Usually I just pour it, but I think it's a good idea with the kids to do it out of the spout. So what I suggest you do, Kira, is you pour it down the side like this. Okay, and probably about that much. And then what colour would you like? The gold?
I'm going to start with blue.
Alright, so do you see what we did? You just pour it down the side. Oh, it's not mixed enough, is it?
There.
It's all clear at the top, so...
Now. Wait, is that yours?
It looks like it needs to be shaken up a little bit more.
I thought that was mine.
Oh, there you are. You have that one. I'll have this one. Yeah, the gold seems to have separated a bit.
This is a bit quite fun.
No. Which one do you want next? The silver?
I did blue and black now.
Oh, yeah, that'll look nice. Yeah, I'll just mix this properly. Right, just squeeze some of that out. Just a bit. You do it.
Okay.
Yep. That should be enough for yours, I think.
I did black and I did
what about
blue.
You did nothing.
I did blue and black.
That's a really nice colour scheme. Right, Bruce, wait for me. No, don't mix it. Don't mix it. Otherwise it'll turn brown, probably. So we'll just leave it there. White.
Oh, I wanted to turn into rainbow.
Yeah. Doesn't work like that though with these.
I was using the dark colors.
Wow, this would go quite well on the canvas because it's like it's kind of cool colors right in here. Can you see? It's like red, white, and gold, and blue, and white. I think I just said white.
Kira,
Now this is getting exciting.
Kira, and I use the dark colors, you know.
Okay.
Alright, that's plenty.
I use the
So
dark.
we'll put the paints away now.
What now?
Alright, now I suggest that because you've got black in yours, that you have black for your base coat, and we've got white in ours. So we'll have white, so I'll show you. You watch what I do first. So we want, this is why I've got lots of white for you. You have lots of white.
That's a lot of white.
What? Then what should we do with these colors in here?
Just leave it this way.
And then with your one, if we put some black in the middle of your one.
Yeah, I'll make a dark color.
Yeah.
Because you want it dark.
Now, what we do,
I can see myself.
you watch what I do. Watch first. So you can just pour it gradually in. I think it's probably the easiest way. We'll do a straight pour, which is where we just let it just pour in like this. And keeping it in the same place.
Isn't that amazing, cool color?
Look at those beautiful patterns. So you just keep it in exactly the same spot. You pour it in like that until it's all gone in pretty much, and then you stop. Do you want to do that with yours?
Okay.
Just go for the middle of it and slowly, 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 as slowly as you can do it, staying in the same place. that. It's beautiful.
Have a look at mine.
Yeah, that's lovely too. I think that's enough now.
Have a
Whoa.
All right, lift it up now because it looks like it's gone a bit muddy at the bottom there for some reason.
Dad, do you like my color?
All right, now you very slowly let it go to one corner and then bring it back.
It's a bit green, mine.
Oh dear.
Then what should we do?
So you just chip it to each corner and then go back. So stop and then go to the corner.
No, it's not.
Don't let it go off and then bring it back to another corner.
This is getting down.
I think maybe we need a bit more base coat around it. The base coat is quite thick. These are all pre-mixed paints. So,
Do we really need the white bit? Ah, mine is spilling.
yep, bring it back. You don't want too much to go off.
What?
So the white bit stops it from you losing your pattern.
I like my
Otherwise it will just roll over on itself and you lose all your pattern. So
There's
I might just rub this over like this. It just helps it to run better.
Should I use it with
Right,
mine?
now tip it over here.
It's kind of...
So maybe with yours,
It looks like a
just the black
Chinese
bit, just rub that towards the corners. And here. You're dripping your sleeve in of your glove. Right, now stop. Don't do it into your picture. Now you can tip it like, hang on, I need to make mine go out to the corners. Otherwise we'll run out of white paint.
Can't believe my glove is so blacky.
Yeah, do you have any paper towels? Son of mine?
Ah, my fingers are so black.
It's fine.
Ugh.
Oh, my one's going pretty well.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Oh, wow. Woo! Your one's amazing, Bruce. What if we accidentally get it under the canvas?
That's okay.
And why if it dries too fast?
It's all fine. It's the thing about this sort of painting, whatever happens is fine.
I don't think so. Because my glove is stuck. Hello?
Paper towel.
Hello?
Okay, let me get it off.
Oh. Oh. Did it go all over his painting? I think. What you can do is do this. Tip it further. Tip it around here. You do it, otherwise I'm doing it. Just tip it around till you get your paint where you want it.
Mine is dripping.
It's okay, it's supposed to drip over the edges. That's what it does.
But you don't want the paint to drip everywhere or else you'll lose it. Oh God. My glove is getting painted.
What you can do to bring it over the edges, you can put your glove just like that.
Yours is really pretty, but mine, I don't think so, because it's really green and smutty.
Yeah, I wonder why it went green. I think, did you have the yellow next to the blue maybe?
Yeah. Now all I need to do is just like wait until. No!
It's okay, it's supposed to go over the edges, Bruce. You want it to run over the edges.
No, I don't.
You want the painting to continue over the edge.
It looks like it's train journey.
I think I should have used more paint in mine.
I guess I have to use more moving it. I guess I have to move it all day. Now what?
That's it, you're finished.
Okay.
Oh, it's really nice, Kira.
Paper towel! Done.
Have you finished? Okay. That's lovely, Kira.
Alright, I'm already done.
Bruce.
Or I'm not.
Yeah, that's good, Bruce. You've done a good job.
Look at
Now I got some paint on myself.
It's like a galaxy.
It does, doesn't it?
Mommy, my paint. This is my painting.
Did you choose those colours?
That's
Yeah.
a very good combination.
Mine wasn't.
I love it.
You love? Yeah, I love it too. I'm going to.
Right.
Oh, yours looks nice.
Yeah, yours is pretty, Kira. Very pretty.
I'm gonna go wash mine.